Look, Jake! My robot is walking! This robot is so cool! Let's play again! He broke the robot, not me. Tom, that's not true. I'm really sorry. I accidentally broke your robot while we were playing. Thank you for telling me the truth. Let's fix it together. This is fun. I don't know who broke the vase.
Tom, do you know what happened?
Mom, I'm sorry. I accidentally broke the vase while playing.
Thank you for telling the truth, Tom. Honesty is more important than mistakes.
Nobody is watching. I'll keep this wallet.
My wallet! Where is my wallet?
Excuse me, is this your wallet?
Yes. Thank you so much, Tom.
Oh no, I got a low score. If I change my score, nobody will know.
Is everything okay, Tom?
Miss Carter, I made mistakes. Can you help me understand them?
I'm proud of your honesty. Learning from mistakes makes you better.
Thank you. The cashier gave me extra money. It's extra money. I'll keep it. Keeping this money is wrong. Excuse me. You gave me too much change.
Thank you for your honesty, Tom.
You're welcome. Being honest makes people trust you. Always choose the truth, even when it is difficult. The truth is always the better choice. Tell us your idea in the comments. Which lesson should we learn next? Every comment can become the beginning of our next lesson. Every comment can become the beginning of our next lesson. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video. Subscribe to Simple Talk English for more fun English lessons. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.